Although Teradyne had some disappointing quarterly results recently, some still see a bullish future, with stock price remaining over 100. The provider of automated test equipment and advanced robotics reported its second quarter 2025 results, with revenue at $651.8 million, down 11% from the second quarter of 2024. Net income was $78.4 million, down 58% from the same period last year. The profit margin decreased to 12% from 26% in Q2 2024, primarily due to lower revenue. Earnings per share were 49 cents, down from $1.18 in Q2 2024. Revenue was in line with analyst estimates, but EPS missed expectations by 4%. Looking ahead, Teradyne forecasts revenue to grow an average of 12% per annum over the next 3 years. This could be driven by the recently unveiled Magnum 7H, a next-generation memory tester designed for testing high-bandwidth memory, HBM devices used in high-performance, generative AI servers. The Magnum 7H delivers high parallelism, high speed, and high accuracy testing for HBM stacked die at scale. Volume shipments and HBM device production on the Magnum 7H have started at major HBM manufacturers. Young Kim, president of Teradyne's Memory Test Division, said the Magnum 7H sets a new standard for testing HBM devices and represents a significant milestone in advancing memory test technology. The Magnum 7H supports various HBM versions, including HBM2E, HBM3, HBM3E, HBM4, and HBM4E, offering comprehensive test coverage. It enables superior device quality, comprehensive memory and logic testing, high-performance testing up to 4.5 gigabits per second, and high parallelism with up to 9,216 digital pins and 2,560 power pins. The increasing demands for higher performance and efficiency in AI and cloud infrastructure applications are driving demand for HBM. And since Magnum 7H is engineered to test current and future HBM devices with high parallelism, speed, and accuracy, Teradyne could meet this demand across the manufacturing process.